a hypothetical question that was raised by Senior Counsel Orengo. Assuming, and it's just an assumption, assuming the Senate is inclined to grant your client up to Tuesday, and by Tuesday, your client is unable to attend Senate, what then will be the way forward?
Mheshimiwa Speaker, I would submit the best thing is for this Honorable House, Honorable Senate, to make a decision on facts rather than assuming what may or may not happen. Point number one. Point number two, Mheshimiwa Speaker, is the importance of honorable senators seeing with their own eyes how a witness withstands cross-examination. There are many times when different impressions will be given by a written document, and yet when cross-examination takes place, individuals change their minds. One can only make a decision on whether this witness is believable or not believable when they see his demeanor in person. So there's nothing to replace orality through cross-examination. There are many witnesses whose statements will be impressive, and yet when they begin to give evidence orally, that impression changes completely on the mind of the jury. The Deputy President wishes to subject himself to cross-examination, wishes under oath to deal with the evidence given adverse to him by witnesses here, so that honorable senators can have an opportunity of making a decision. Is it the Deputy President who shall believe, or is it those other witnesses? That opportunity can only come through orality and through cross-examination. So what this House elects to do, that decision, this House, Mheshimiwa Speaker, they will make on Tuesday. I am always an optimist. So I am living in the belief that the doctors may be able to put whatever is wrong with the Deputy President back in place so that he can be here on Tuesday, Mr. Speaker. If he's not here, let that decision of what this Honorable Senate will then do be made on Tuesday. That is a humane way of going about a matter about no one had control of. I thank you.
Now, Honorable Senator.